Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to enable split screen view or use two applications at the same time on your Samsung One UI 8 version. You can use the recent application list to access two applications at the same time. Also, in the latest One UI 8, you can create the app pair to quickly access two applications. So let's see. Tap the recent application on your device. If you use the full screen gesture, just swipe up and hold to view the recent application on your One UI 8 version. Now here you can find the list of all recent application. Just tap on a app icon to show if the application is support the split screen mode or not. Here you can see open in a split screen view. If you use any government related application or banking application, you can't find the app split screen option on your device. But at the end, I will show how to apply split screen in the government application or a banking application. So stay still, and at the end I will show you how to apply split screen in the banking application or any government application. So first of all, open the recent application, tap the app icon. Now tap on open in a split screen view. Now select the second application you want to use on your device. So here we select the settings on my phone or Facebook, like we select the calculator. Now here we can use both the YouTube application or a calculator application. You can also use any chat application in this. Also, when you tap on a three dots, you can move or switch between the side like this. Also here when you tap here, you can see the star icon that will use to create the app pair. So if you want to use two application quickly, just tap on this button, tap on star icon. Here you can see add app pair to home screen or app edge panel. So we select the home screen option. Now app pair add to the home screen. So you can quickly open these two application anytime using the home screen. At the end, I will show you. If you want to exit this split screen mode on your device, if you want to exit, just long press it and move at the bottom or top of the screen to exit the split screen mode on your device. Now here you can see the create app pair. We already see, just tap on it and it will automatically open the split screen view on your device. Now at the end, I will show when you open the any banking application, like here you can't see the split screen mode. So if you find any application that not support the split screen, you can apply it by open the settings on your device, scroll down up to advanced feature, tap on advanced feature, tap on all apps. Here you can see the multi window for all apps. Allow all apps to open in a pop-up view or a split screen, including the apps that haven't been designed for this layout. So now enable this feature to apply all application to split screen mode. Now let's see again. Open the Axis Bank application, tap on the app icon, and you can see the open in a split screen view option. Now you can access your banking application or any other work at the same time. So quite easy to use two applications at the same time using the split screen multitasking or multi-window mode on your latest Samsung One UI 8 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.